Hello everybody, welcome to Life Elite Christmas Day 22.
Today we are doing a couples bake-off challenge. So as opposed to making two separate cakes, we are actually going to try to make one beautiful Christmas cake. I'll insert a picture here of the cake we're trying to make. So we've got our cake mix, we've got our little waffle cones to make the trees, the stuff to make the icing, our little mixer, we've got our little cake pans. We've even found this great little tray that does the spinny thing just like the pros. I'm super excited about that. I actually think it's gonna help us a lot.
They're cool.
Yeah, so we're gonna get started. It's gonna be so much fun. Oven's preheated.
Oven's ready to go.
Yep, all right, so we should get into it, yeah? All right.
Do it.
First thing we're gonna do is start making our cakes. So we've got our triple chocolate fudge cake, and then we've also got a vanilla. We're gonna do a 3-tiered cake.
3 tiers.
Yeah, 3 tiers, okay.
Getting it done, getting it done.
So I think we should do the middle and the top as the chocolate, and then the middle is the vanilla.
Yes.
Your family likes the chocolate more.
Yes.
His family's coming over for like a Christmas dinner movie night tonight, so we thought this would be a perfect opportunity to make a fun cake. So you
we
open
figured we'd explore my family versus hers.
Okay, so we have to add the cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl, and then mix vigorously for 2 minutes. All right, time to beat them. Oops, sorry, Tuck.
Beat it, beat it. The ingredients are the same, or do you need the box still?
We still need the box. Okay guys, so now we're on to the second flavor of cake. So this is the French vanilla. So again, we're adding in our 4 eggs. We are gonna use all the eggs, which is fine.
All the eggs.
This is gonna be a huge, I hope it turns out to be a huge cake. We'll just have to see. Watch, it comes out being super tiny. 2.
I don't remember where it said only use.
It doesn't on this one. This one's all we had to do is flour the pan. So 3 eggs and a cup of water.
Alright, so we got our French vanilla cake all mixed up. Now for this cake, we're gonna go ahead and add color to the middle.
Yep.
So we're gonna make this.
I've got red, green, blue, yellow.
We're gonna have green trees on the outside, so should we do red in the middle?
I was kind of thinking red,
Yeah.
but the green could be cute too.
Yeah.
The green would kind of match.
I feel like it would all kind of go together. I think it'd be cool.
The green, okay.
Let's do green. It's already got a yellow tint to it, so it'll.
I'm like scared of food coloring.
3, 4.
Let's try that and see. Because I don't want it to be too dark. Go ahead.
Slip a little more.
What happened?
I dropped it. Dropped it all in the cake batter.
Nice.
If we had kids, they'd be excited.
Okay, so now we have our 3 different cakes, and we're gonna pop these in the oven for about 25 minutes, and then we're gonna test them, and maybe a little bit longer. Our oven's kind of weird, so we're gonna start like slow, and then maybe I don't know, because it's like they can sync. I think that's a thing, right? That they can sync. So maybe we should do a little bit longer. We'll test them and make sure that they're cooked.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
We'll keep you posted.
Okay, guys. So now we are making our icing. So we've got our powdered sugar, cream cheese. We need butter. Butter. Okay, and I've got our
cheese.
recipe over here. Okay, so we need to do 1 package of cream cheese. This says it makes 2 cups, I think. So we probably want to double it, at least.
Probably.
Okay, so do 2 things of cream cheese, 2 cups of butter. The butter's supposed to be softened, which this one's not too bad, but this is also not enough, so.
Take that. Take that.
Okay, so it said to beat this is actually smart, it said to beat the cream cheese and the butter together first and get it really smooth and then add in your powdered sugar. So that kind of makes sense. I feel like that's probably what I've done wrong the last couple times is I put everything in the bowl.
Yeah.
So.
And then gone after
And then gone after it, yeah. So I think this is gonna work better.
Yeah. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Get some!
Careful.
Beating the tar out of it.
Just beat the devil out of it.
Yeah, just beat the devil out of it. Happy little trees.
Happy. Oh yeah, we are gonna make happy little trees.
We're gonna make some happy little trees over
that.
here.
Like, I think that's good.
All
That looks really good.
Boom.
All right, here's the spatula. That's so good.
So good.
That's the best frosting I've ever made.
Oh.
I never make it right.
Not ever had, but ever made.
I mean, you made it.
We're winning today. We're winning today.
It's really nice and thick. I think this is gonna be great. If your frosting is coming across a little runny, add more powdered sugar.
When in doubt.
Add more powdered sugar. The more powdered sugar you add, the sweeter it's gonna be though. Ours is like the perfect balance right now. It tastes like cream cheese. It's like delicious.
Ew.
No, it's good.
Madison is living proof that you can bake your cake and eat it while doing so. I'm moving some of this over to make green.
Yeah.
How much?
I don't know. I think I would just try to do like
Like
that.
that much.
I think that's good. So this one, I rinsed those. So now we're gonna add like maybe that much because we want it to be a really vibrant green. So
Forest green is what we're going for here.
Yeah.
Well, maybe not quite forest green, but a vibrant forest.
just be really
Ones
careful.
that you don't find in the Rockies.
Just don't get it on your. There you go.
We're looking for Amazonian green.
And our cake has about 10 minutes left on it.
Oh. Good thing we're not like in a competition or a race on a clock.
I know. That's actually a really nice green.
Yeah, I'm going a little darker. Okay, ready, faster, boom.
You want more green? Do you want more?
Yeah, do a little more. What do you think of that?
I think that's a good green.
I think that's good green.
We should have written down how many drops we actually did.
I think it was 20.
I think it was probably.
Do 20 drops, okay?
Yeah, I'd say it was probably 20 drops of green. There's some on this side.
Did I get?
I think so.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Because that's the top. So that was.
Oh.
That's what I was like, oh, wait. Just throw that in the green.
I will. Whoops. This is why I don't bake. It's a little bit more of a nailed it than a.
Oh, this wine is good. Oh, isn't that?
I think it's cute. I think it turned out good. I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious.
Oh, that's
That's
so
our
funny.
Christmas